pandemic hit, a local medical supply business owner knew he had to do his part to help protect his community. Lucas Payne, president of Force Medical Supply in South Holland, joins us now. And Lucas, in addition to donating masks to organizations in the Chicago area, you've also been helping other states across the country as well. How's that been going?
Well, it's been phenomenal. We've had requests from all over the country, and in fact, we've even sent masks as far as Malawi and Nigeria. So it's been pretty amazing.
What sort of masks are we talking about here?
Sure. So everything, as you are probably pretty familiar with, these disposable blue masks that you pretty much see everybody with. We've also been able to donate the N95s and KN95s to healthcare workers and beyond.
What prompted you to get so involved, not only just here in the Chicago area, but across the country?
Well, honestly, the initial pivot to PPE was first to kind of fill in the void. I've been importing goods for probably the last 15 to 20 years of my career, whether it was cell phones in the early days to LED lighting and solar panels. So when the pandemic hit, we were in a perfect position to bring goods from overseas. And really, I just wanted to, first of all, do anything I could to stop the spread. I was paying attention to the pandemic and knew back in January that we were going to get hit. By February, I started bringing goods here, and really by March and mid-March, April, things were already getting pretty bad here in the States. We just want to protect lives. I mean, that's it. And I think that we haven't taken this thing as seriously as we should have.
Yeah. As you continue to move forward, I'm curious as how, it impacts your business in terms of just expansion and being able to progress and move forward.
Yeah, thanks. That's a great question. I mean, initially when I looked at bringing personal protective equipment in to supplement our business, really was just in hopes to, push through the pandemic. This was before there were any kind of PPE loans or emergency disaster relief. We didn't know anything that was coming, but we knew we had to pivot and make a difference, and that's what we did. So we started selling PPE as early as, like I said, late February, beginning of March, in order to keep our employees busy. But I will say it has been difficult. So even though we've been very successful with the PPE, that market has changed. What was once very hard to get is now very easy to get, where the market's been flooded with certain things, and other things like gloves and sanitizers are very difficult to get for folks right now, particularly the sanitizing wipes. I don't know if anybody's tried to go and buy some Clorox wipes at your local store lately, but there's quite a bit going on there.
How do you identify exactly where best these masks should go, the need where it's greatest?
That's a great question. As far as our donations, we actually just have a simple simple link on our website that anybody can log into and request a donation. Early on, we partnered with the city of Chicago and an unnamed private benefactor who wanted to donate to the city of Chicago. So we matched their donation. They donated 10,000 masks to the city of Chicago, and so we donated 10,000 more to the firefighters union. So we've done donations everywhere from there to organizations like Saint Sabina, to those really where our focus is where the least served communities, across the board. So whether it's Pilsen, whether it's Auburn, Gresham, we really want to get masks in the hands of those who truly can't afford them and who are having a hard and difficult time getting them. We've had, of course, our frontline workers, our first responders, and our nurses and folks. And there's a lot of folks that go and do things like home health care, for example. They're lower wage earners, oftentimes not getting everything that they need from their organizations, and they're actually going to care for folks in their homes. So those are some of the examples of the folks that we've tried to help. We really like to focus on folks that really are the least served in our communities.
Well,
Well,
Lucas,
thank
it's
you for
people
what
like
you
you
do, yeah.
that make the world go round.
Right.
Thank you
Absolutely.
so much. For more information on how to request a mask, head to forcemedicalsupply.com.